In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales presentation in Prezi. Prezi is a powerful tool that allows you to craft dynamic and engaging presentations, perfect for capturing your audience's attention and communicating your message effectively. Let's dive into the process and have you presenting like a pro in no time. Firstly, start by logging in to your Prezi account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open a new presentation. Prezi offers an array of templates to get you started, especially useful if you're looking for something specifically geared towards sales or business settings. You can choose a professional template that suits your style, or if you're feeling adventurous and want full creative control, start from a blank canvas. Now, let's give your presentation some structure. Begin by adding your main topic, which should include your product or service name, as well as the presentation title. This serves as your presentation's anchor and will be the first thing your audience sees. Next, think about creating subtopics. For a sales presentation, it's effective to include sections for the problem, solution, benefits, pricing, and testimonials. Each of these subtopics helps guide your audience through your narrative, painting a clear picture of what you're offering and why it matters. To make your points more compelling, it's essential to incorporate various multimedia elements. Insert charts, images, videos, and graphics whenever possible. These elements do more than just break up text. They add dimension and make your sales points more convincing. A well-placed video or graph can say 1,000 words, so use them wisely to support your narrative. Prezi is renowned for its unique zoom path feature, which you should definitely utilize to enhance your presentation. By setting up zoom paths, you direct your audience smoothly from one section to the next, creating a fluid and engaging experience that keeps everyone's attention. As you go through the content, identify the key benefits or features of your product or service. Use icons, callouts, or emphasis effects to highlight these points. This makes them stand out visually and ensures that your audience won't miss them. Don't forget to adjust the aesthetic of your presentation to align with your brand identity. Fine-tune colors, fonts, and layout. Consistency in branding not only looks professional, but also reinforces your brand's image in the audience's mind. And that's how you create a sales presentation in Prezi. By following these steps, you will have a compelling, visually appealing presentation that effectively communicates your message and resonates with your audience. Remember, the key to a successful presentation is not just what you say, but how you say it. With Prezi, you have all the tools at your disposal to make that impression last. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.